Hi guys, you're welcome to Pambosco's Electrical Solution. So on this video, I will guide you. I've had several questions coming from electricians, and especially my friends who are my followers often asking me, how do I install a staircase automation lighting system in a 2-story building, 3-story building, or a 4-story building, as the case may be. So on this project, we have a 2-story building, so meaning we have two steps of staircase, like here, this one here, and this leads to the first story building, while the other one from the other side leads to the second. So how then do you install this smart lighting system, this automation lighting system, in such a way that the lights will be moving simultaneously? So on this video, I will guide you on how I do it, and I believe you will learn from this video. So as you can see, the steps here, I've counted them. This first one is up to 27 steps altogether. So if you move from ground where I started this video from to here is our first floor. Then another one here too. When you start moving from here to the other side is a second floor, so making it a 2-story building. So now, how then do we run this installation? So we begin by piping it. So now, to achieve this lighting system, because all the staircase here, the steps in this staircase, they are from the ground floor to the first floor is 27 steps. There are 27 steps, while from the first floor to the second floor, there are 28 steps. So if you join it together, we'll be having like 28 plus 27, that is 2 plus 2, 48. That's 55 steps altogether. And you know, the controller, we have the maximum numbers of steps you can install or connect in that controller as 32 steps. So how then do we achieve this, since the the numbers of steps we have in the project is above the number of steps that are meant to be connected on the controller, the smart controller? So then this is what we do. So you will, from this first floor here, this ground floor to the first floor, we have its own independent controller. So meaning the sensor will be installed by the side here. So when you install this one, the sensor to this side, so you decide to put your box anywhere you deem it necessary, or that will be okay by you. So anywhere you tend to put it, you put it. But this one here will be controlled by one controller, one smart controller, this one here. So meaning when you start moving from there, the light stops here. So eventually, if anyone starts moving from here, so this one will start to turn on. So this one here, from the ground floor to the first floor, a connection will be independently. It will not have anything to do with the first floor to the second floor. I don't know if you understand what I mean by this explanation. So the ground floor, everything about this ground floor, the ground floor down there to this first floor, it will be done separately from the step that begins from the first floor to the second floor. Let me repeat myself again. The controller, the smart controller that controls this smart lighting system, this automation step lighting system, will be connected separately. This one here will be connected separately. So that means we will have two smart controllers that controls this staircase in order for us to achieve it. So you don't join this one to here. So meaning here, since we have from the ground floor to the first floor, we have 27 steps. So you connect it to that controller. While this other side, we have 28 steps. So you connect it to a different one entirely. So then you achieve that result. So Like if you're beginning from the ground floor, it senses your presence, the light turns on. Then when it gets here, let's assume you begin from this first floor, you want to descend. It senses your presence, it turns on as well. So when you begin here, you want to go, it senses your presence, it takes you up, likewise up. So whenever you're moving, it sends. But if you join it, if you use one controller to connect it, you won't achieve it. So that's it. I believe you must have learned something new this morning, and if you don't get it, you can ask your questions on the comment section. And also, please guys, all I need from you is just to share my videos and help support me in any way you can. Share the video, like, comment, and don't forget to follow this page if you are yet to follow us. Thank you.